In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin and rename a chat in the ChatGPT Atlas app. This feature can come in handy when organizing your chats and making it easier to locate important conversations. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to optimize your chat experience, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First and foremost, make sure you've got the ChatGPT Atlas app open on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you might want to pause and get it set up. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner where you'll see the sidebar. Clicking on this sidebar is your gateway to managing your chat list, so go ahead and give it a tap. You'll notice a list of your chats appearing. Scroll through until you find the chat you're planning to pin and rename. Selecting the correct chat can save you time, and if you frequently use certain chats, it's always wise to pin them for easy access. Once you've located the chat, look for the three-dotted icon, which should be nearby. Clicking on this icon will unveil a menu with various options for managing your chat settings. Among these options, you'll see the option to rename the chat. Selecting Rename lets you customize the chat name. When the option to enter a new chat name appears, feel free to add a star emoji. You can do this by simply typing or selecting the star emoji from your emoji keyboard. A star emoji is a great way to make the chat stand out, and when you've added it, hit Enter to confirm the change. Remember to double-check that the emoji displays correctly. It helps in visually distinguishing important chats. This small but effective change can enhance your user experience by allowing key conversations to catch your eye more quickly. There you have it. With these steps, you've not only pinned your desired chat, but also made it more identifiable with a neat star emoji. It's a straightforward process, one that can make a big difference in how efficiently you navigate the app. Repeat these steps for any other chats you'd like to prioritize. Thank you for joining me today. Implementing these small changes can really streamline your app usage and ensure you're always on top of your communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life even easier. Until next time, take care and happy chatting.